Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a memo to a transaction in QuickBooks Online. First of all, you have to open your QuickBooks dashboard. Now what you have to do is to click on Transactions from the left bar menu. Here you can save your hours of work by tracking finances automatically. Click on Recurring Transactions. Click on New on the right side of the page. Select the types of templates you want to create. For example, select the transaction type to bills and then click on OK. Now here is your recurring check. You have to add details to it. Enter your template name. For example, I am typing here Harry. Now select the type as scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. Then enter the days you want to create in advance. After that, you have to enter the name of the supplier, like I am entering John. After that, select the interval, start date, end date, and mailing address. Scroll down the page and in the tag section, add tags like sales, check, and more. Then enter the category as services and description. After that, enter the amount. Then scroll it down and you can add a memo and any attachments also if you have. The memo does not appear on printed bill payments. Here you can add a memo that we are raising $2 million on a save. We have $500,000 committed, so $1.5 million remaining. You can add different memos like that according to your requirements. Here is a pop-up that something is not quite right. It says that another recurrent template is also with the same name, so here we try a different name. I changed the template name, and now we are good to go. Scroll it down and tap on Save Template. Your recurring bill has been saved. That is how you can add a memo to a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.